Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the laser pointer feature in Google Jamboards. In order to understand the laser pointer, it's important to understand what the laser pointer does and what it doesn't do. And to do that, we're going to contrast it with another tool in Jamboard. So let's say I go to my pen features. I'm going to select the pen, and I'm going to select the color red. Right, now if I want to highlight something on the Jamboard and I want my highlighting or my emphasis to remain visible on that frame, I would consider using a pen or one of the different pens available in order to add that emphasis. So because I'm choosing pen, let's say I want to draw attention to the word relevant, right, I can circle that and notice it stays there. But let's say I want to draw attention to something and I don't want it to stay there, I just want it to draw attention or emphasize something momentarily, then I can choose the laser pointer and watch what happens when I do this. I can circle it and it just trails itself off and eventually disappears. So it's emphasis in the moment, but I don't have to worry about it staying there if I don't want it to stay there. So that's how you can use the laser pointer tool in Google Jamboard.